Hey everyone, it's Kiehls. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, I'm so happy to have you. I hope that you stick around. And if you're returning, I'm always happy to have you back. Thanks so much for coming back. Today we're doing something a little bit different and we're going to talk about skincare. I personally feel like skincare is so important. You need to take good care of your skin. And so I want to talk about some of my favorite products and some new products that I received in a kit that I ordered from Sephora. So let's first talk about the two products that are my favorites. Or two of my favorites that I use every single day. And I really don't think I could go without. They're both by the same line and it's Peter Thomas Roth. So I really love his line. And they really have worked really great for my skin. The first one is his Unwrinkle Turbo Line Smoothing Toning Lotion. And you can use it in the morning and at night. But I really just use it in the morning. After I cleanse my skin, I use this before putting on my moisturizer and it kind of brightens my skin a little bit. It's supposed to do that and it's supposed to really remove any kind of impurities or help to remove impurities. It's oil-free, it's alcohol-free. I really like the way this feels on my skin. So my sister introduced this to me. She bought it for me for my birthday. I think it was last year, so I've been using it for quite some time. And I really like it. I also love, this is probably something that I could never go without, his moisturizer. And I think this is fairly new. This is his Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. Yep, mouthful, but I love this product. So here it is. All right, the reason I love this product. This product, his moisturizer, makes your skin feel and look so hydrated. So it's super lightweight, I should say. And it just feels like a dream going onto your skin. I mean, my skin just soaks it up, especially in the winter time when your skin is so dry. And then it just makes your skin looking so shiny and bright. I know you're not gonna be able to see it on camera, but it just, it's worked wonders for my skin. And I love this product. So I use this as a moisturizer every day and every night. I've sworn by it to my friends, my family members. I've tried to get them on board with it. Some of them have gotten on board. It's $52 for this size container. However, I have bought it on sale every single time that I've bought it. So I either use Sephora's 20% off every time it comes around, like the Beauty Insider sales. And then this past December, Ulta had 20% off your purchase. I think it was all month of December. So I picked up one at Ulta. And then I also frequently purchase it from his website, the Peter Thomas Roth website. They frequently have sales. So I'll pick it up from his website if there's a sale. Especially if they're like travel size products, because I use them if I travel or if I'm staying overnight somewhere, and then I don't have to bring my full size. The next thing that I'll talk about is a kit that I ordered when I was shopping on Sephora before Christmas time, and I picked it up for myself. It was only 10 bucks, and basically they had kits that were targeted for age groups. So it was skincare by age. And so they had skincare for your 20s, for your 30s, for your 40s, for your 50s, and I think they went up past that too. And so I thought, why not try it? Because I love skincare, I want to try new products, and so I've tried most of the products that they sent me. I did go online, and unfortunately the kits are sold out. I'm hoping that they bring them back so that you guys can check them out if you're interested. What I will tell you is that if you are interested in seeing what they recommend per age group, they still show the kits online, so you can go ahead and look to see what's recommended. I always like that because I always feel like you do have to kind of use different products based on not just your skin type, but also your age, because your skin goes through different stages as, you know, as we move through life, right? And as we move through seasons, I sometimes switch up my skincare products by season too. So anyway, let me show you what they sent me. What I also like about the kit is that they sent me these really helpful cards for each of the products. They're sample size products, but it tells you a little bit about each product. So it tells you the concern, and it tells you, you know, how you should use it, and then why you should use it. So I thought that was really helpful. Another helpful thing for this, these cards they tell you when you should use it. So they tell you, should you use it in the morning, at night, or both. So helpful. It kind of does the work for you. You just got to apply the product, all right? So let me go through and I'll show you what they sent me. So I got the Skincare by 30s. So the first thing is this Tarte, and it's the Deep Cleanse. Let me just show you. There we go. So I used this a couple times, and it really just is supposed to target your pores and uneven texture. And I've really liked it so far. I have a friend that swears by Tarte, the Tarte line. So I was happy that I got this. And this is one that I might consider picking up as a cleanser. I don't have a regular cleanser that I use. I kind of switch it up a little bit for that. My skin's not sensitive, so I find that I can use products, like a bunch of different kinds of products, so I'm kind of lucky in that way. But I really haven't found one that I love for my skin, but I kind of really love this one. So if you have any recommendations for good cleansers, leave them below. I'm always on the hunt. Okay, the next one is by Fresh, and this is, oops, can you see that? And this is really for puffiness, for dark circles. So I've used this a couple times, and I use it at night. They say you can use it morning and night, but I've only used it at night so far, and I like it. I use Clinique's regularly, so I'm just kind of replacing this every so often instead of using my Clinique, and I like it. So I don't really notice a difference between the two. So I'm gonna have to see what the price is on that, because maybe I'll switch over. They also sent me something, it's by Supergroup, which I've never heard of this brand before. And it's a sunscreen, and it's supposed to be applied as the last step before makeup. Now, I haven't used this one yet, I'll be honest with you. I was kind of holding on to it until summertime because it has SPF and it's a sunscreen. I don't wear SPFs, I know, it's really bad. That's like the worst thing I could do for my skin, but I need to start using SPFs. So I'm kind of going to hang on to this until summertime, but I think it's just for your face. So I'll let you know, later on this year if I like this or not. The next thing is by Kiehls, and I tried this and I really like it. And the reason why, it's a foaming cleanser. And the reason why I really like this product is because it really makes my skin feel clean. So the Tarte was really good, but so was the Kiehls. So I'm going to have to look at the price points between the two if I'm deciding, which I want to buy the full-size products. But the Kiehls really, I think, is good for the winter time, and the Tarte might be good for like spring, summer, because this really targets like any rough spots. So this might be good for when your skin gets drier to kind of cleanse and exfoliate at the same time. My skin really felt clean with this product, so I really was happy with that. I also got, these are by Dr. Dennis Gross, and these are extra strength daily peels. So it's a 2-step, and I've used it once. They only sent me 3 treatments. So there's 6 pads, but there's 2 steps, so you can only use it 3 times. And I like it so far, but I've only used it once, so it's hard to say if there's gonna be results. And I don't think that you can really see results after 3 times. But I really liked it the first time I used it, and it really helped my skin kind of feel, I guess, a little bit more firm. But I don't know if it's just because the way that the product was. Let me know if you've ever used these too. And then lastly, this is by Tarte, and this is their hydrating moisturizer. So I use this a little bit too. So this is for your face and your neck, and I do like this one. What I'll tell you, the difference between the Peter Thomas Roth one that I showed you earlier and this one's a little bit thicker, and it's almost like, it looks like Vaseline, but it doesn't have the same, like, it's not as thick as Vaseline, but I do like it, and it's very hydrating, and I like this one because I feel like it helped like my neck area, if that makes sense. I don't know why I noticed a difference with this one, but I guess all areas of your skin are different and react differently to products. So anyway, that's what I got in my kit, and I'm really happy with the products so far that I've received. So thanks so much for spending some time with me. Please in the comment section let me know, what are your favorite skincare products? Do you have any favorite cleansers, especially that you use? I'm good with my moisturizers. I want you to try the Peter Thomas Roth moisturizer next time you go into Sephora or Ulta. You might fall in love with it just like I did. So anyway, please let me know what are your favorites, and thanks again for spending some time with me, and I'll see you really soon for another video.